First, remove the rearview mirror glass. Observe the marked snap fit points. Then release the snaps one by one to detach the mirror glass. Next, place the mirror glass aside without disconnecting the wires. Following the diagram, unscrew the screws and release the clips to remove the mirror housing. Carefully disconnect the housing wires during removal. Follow the video to release each clip one by one. Then detach the rearview mirror housing separately. Next, begin installing the new mirror cap.